Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, which is called the auto mode here, just take a look at this bar on the left, and in the left upper corner we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, the timer has 4 different modes, 4 different options. Currently it is turned off. As you can see, this clock icon is crossed out and highlighted in this yellowish color, and we can set to 5 or 8 seconds delay. So basically, in order to set the delay, just tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 8 seconds, and as you can see, the icon changed slightly. So after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 8, and after that time it will take a photo. And of course it will work the same with all other options, just the countdown time will be different. So let me show you, for example, 2 seconds delay. As I said, the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon again, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set the camera timer in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.